Hello guys, welcome again to other technical analysis for Bitcoin. This video is a little bit special. The reason for this is because tomorrow we have a new close in 5-day chart and I found something very interesting. I think this video, the next close is tomorrow in the next 12 hours actually. We are gonna have a very difficult signal for Bitcoin and actually all the overall market. Let me explain. In 5-day chart, Bitcoin tested the area of support around here in micro time frames from $68,000 to all the way down to 33, and after that we saw this bounce. And remember, you know my way of trading. Always when I see the price very close to the MA55 and also the area of supply, for me always is gonna be to the downside. The problem here with this price action right now, Bitcoin actually now is in the lowest point. It's about to test the lowest point in volume for 5-day chart around here, $32,000, $34,000, $35,000 actually right now here. But the problem with this is we will have a slope. This slope for a squeeze momentum indicator is bad actually, and there is a very high probability we will see something like this. The slope is gonna be like red again. And also the squeeze momentum, the ADX is getting positive. So that means this sell pressure you can see right now on Bitcoin in 5-day chart. So that means next month, yeah, it's real. Actually, it's real. Of course, we will see bounces maybe in 1-day chart, maybe in 12-hour chart, maybe 4-hour chart. But overall, the trend is getting ready. For a potential reversal. Yeah, there is a very high probability we will see a potential reversal maybe next month for Bitcoin. Yeah. As I said in the morning, in my live stream, I am expecting a bounce here. Yes, of course, yes. The problem with this bounce is like any close like this, Bitcoin in 5-day chart below $40,000 in 5-day chart. The next bounce of Bitcoin in 1-day chart is gonna be a sell. It's gonna be a sell, and potentially this sell is we will see the crash I am looking for since September 2021. Yeah. Now let's talk about. It's very important for me this video. Why? Because eventually, every time when I see potential macro moves like this, I like to make a video about this. So we have something very concerning here right now. This is bad actually. The 5-day chart, the volatility is about to expand, as you can see here. Confirmation. Actually, I think in the next 12 hours we'll have this cross. Remember, a volatility indicator is very different. I am not playing the golden cross on that cross. Is not this indicator is not gonna tell you when to sell, when to buy, no, but it's gonna tell you when the market is gonna start expanding or contracting. So after the long time consolidation phase or distribution phase, actually I will say in the highs, this is a distribution pattern for me, in my personal opinion. Yeah. And the expansion we will see in the next month actually, this expansion you will see here is the resolution of this distribution pattern. In my personal opinion, I'm thinking this is a distribution pattern. So we will see the resolution of this sideways action in between $60,000 to $30,000. Very big range in monthly chart, because this is a monthly range. The trade is very easy. Any close below $34,000, it's difficult. It's difficult right now because Bitcoin must close in 4 hours. The close of Bitcoin in this month must be above $37,000. Actually, $40,000 should be better. Actually, the best price should be around $45,000, $47,000. It's very complicated right now. I don't want to say something like this, but my God, crazy. Every time when I see the macro time frames, like this one, for example, Bitcoin good news is forming a potential bull divergences here, but the problem with this bull is is from this point and this point. So that means this area must break. In order to see a bullish divergence in 5-day chart, we will need to see next month new lows. So March, April, new lows all the way down like this. And from there, we will see the bullish divergences playing like this, something like this. Yeah. We will see bullish divergences, and from there we will see a big bounce, actually, yes. But this bounce is gonna be the sell. It's gonna be the sell because it's gonna be the confirmation of weekly reversal. So I am recording this video because I think it's very important for all, especially for the Patreon members in my private channel, who are following my technical analysis. So be ready, because if I am right with this, I mean, any close below $37,000 right now. Bitcoin has around 3 days. Let me see. Usually weekends we will see a bounce. So if Bitcoin is really gonna destroy the range, it should be tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow should be the time when we will see this range destroyed. If we don't see tomorrow, if we see Bitcoin holding this range, I am not expecting a break. Usually weekends is a bounce, but in weekends, that bounce in weekend is a sell out there in weekdays. Because remember, the trend is your friend, and the trend is to the downside. So as long Bitcoin is in downside, in downtrend, as you can see here, even if 5-day chart is in downtrend, of course, this is a 5-day chart downtrend. It's almost weekly. So technically, if I see 5-day chart in like this, there is a very high probability we will see finally Bitcoin getting ready to break. So let me tell you something. Here in the morning, I explained around 12 hours ago, I explained Bitcoin is gonna test around $30,000. I'm still thinking that it's gonna happen. There is a very high probability, and from there I am expecting another bounce. But in the context of the macro time frames, this bounce, any rejection like this here, again following the trend, the same thing is gonna be just other bull trap. Someone asked me like my projection for Bitcoin in the correction. Well, I said that many times, but well, just I want to answer the questions for many people. In average, Bitcoin the correction are around 80-90% in all the bear markets. Yeah, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is not a correction. This is just sideways for now. But any close below $37,000 in ME21, as you can see here, you will see the confirmation, and you will see maybe March, April, major pain, actually the climax of the pain for Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies. So 86 is around $14,000, $10,000 this area. Bitcoin must hold $30,000 is the area you must see Bitcoin holding in March. If you don't see Bitcoin holding in March this level, any close 1-day chart closing below $30,000 is gonna be enough to see the sell-off I am talking about right now. So be safe, because as investor you must be very happy. As a gambler, you will lose everything. So careful, very careful. And last thing I want to show you here is using Fibonacci levels in macro timeframes. I am not a big fan using Fibonacci levels in micro timeframes, but in macro timeframes actually I like it. Yeah, because I can see they are actually playing very good in macro scale, of course. So if we are looking for corrections here, well, from the previous low here in 2020, the top is $68,000. Yeah, around $27,000, around the MA55. I am expecting this bounce. The problem with this is I don't want to see, honestly, I don't want to see Bitcoin breaking $30,000 next month, because if we see it, I want to see Bitcoin holding for a long time, for more time, at least after 3 or 4 months, $30,000, because if Bitcoin breaks this level, this potential bounce you will see here in the golden pocket in monthly is gonna be a macro bull trap here. Why? Because You don't want to see Bitcoin breaking very fast here. You want to see Bitcoin holding here, because this drop, the next bounce here around 36, 32, this area is going to become a very strong resistance. Very strong resistance, I will say. And from here, and you see the gap between $30,000 and 24. 24 is not going to hold anymore because there is no volume here. So the lowest point is the 0.78, around $17,000, or where is the MA 100, around $14,000. So I'm sorry, I want to be bullish, but I mean, I'm not bullish, I'm bearish. You say I'm sharing my technicals. Now, this video is a little bit special. Why? Because, well, you see what is happening now with Cardano. Cardano actually now is 0.76. I told you. Sorry, but I told you. And this move in monthly basis is just the beginning. So here, as you can see, the ADX is getting negative. We have the sell signal in December 2021. 2 months. You want to buy Cardano, you have to wait for all this way, maybe all this year. You will see potentially a buy signal in monthly, and potentially you will see that bounce. But how much is gonna crash this? In general, the average crash for all the coins, altcoins, is 95%. So if we are, for example, 2017, 18, the crash was 98, thinking it's gonna be around the same. Around 0.07 is the lowest point I am expecting Cardano this year. Remember, this is a monthly chart, so it will take all this year. So we will see bounces, of course, yes. I mean, not like Bitcoin is gonna crash forever, of course not. Remember, you cannot be bearish right now, because actually you should be very, very happy, because for 2 years, Bitcoin didn't, many people made massive gains in this area. A little bit pain is not bad. Actually, it's healthy. It's healthy for Bitcoin. Now, in 4-hour chart, I am expecting a bounce. Yes, I am expecting a bounce. Because why? Why? Because we have this bullish divergence in OBB. I really respect bullish divergence in OBB. I really respect more than a squeeze. And as you can see here, the ADX is getting negative. The slope is going to be negative, and we will have bullish divergence in 4-hour chart. So that means there is a probability, as long Bitcoin is holding here. Actually, now let me see the time. Yeah, I think maybe we can say right now, you are aggressive, this is the area you're gonna start looking for other long position here to MA21 around $37,000, maximum 38, and from there, what? Keep falling. Remember, 4-hour chart is just for 24 hours price action. That's it. In my case, I'm not going to take any. I'm not going to take this long position. I was in short position at $38,000, 38,500, and I close here. Why? Because as a trader, if I don't see the price keep falling, always I take my decisions, right? So in this case, I just protected my profits. Now, let's continue a little bit more with some altcoins, because some altcoins, they are breaking key levels and they are reversing in macro time frames. So a weekly chart for BNB. BNB, this reaction is a confirmation of finally a reversal in macro time frames. You don't want to see here. The thing you want to see is holding the MA55, holding for 420, and from there to the upside. But as you can see here, rejection, massive bull trap here. So all the way down to $300. From, of course, I am expecting a bounce. Yes. This is the time for shorting. Of course not. We will see a bounce here. This is just continuation in downtrend for weekly chart, as you can see here. So in general, all the market is actually doing the same thing. So, well, maybe be ready, because 2022 is going to be very interesting. Very, very interesting. Same thing for Ethereum. As you can see here, MA55 tested, rejection, and now is testing the previous low here, around 220. So my target, well, actually it's a long time ago. If $3,000 breaks, you will see this reaction. Actually, 4,000 when this thing was at $4,000, any close below $4,000, you will see massive reaction. Now, the problem with this price action is people are still thinking this is cheap. Of course, it's not cheap. Of course not. I mean, after this massive move, of course not. This is not cheap. So weekly chart is very clear. We have invalidation of bullish divergences, that we don't have it. Actually, this is a new low. I didn't expect that. Yeah, very bad. And also the DX is still above 23. More pain to come for Ethereum in the macro timeframes. OBB totally wrecked. Yeah, so very, very bad. And the worst thing is the volatility is going to expand in next month. So next month, I think it's going to be super red for Bitcoin and all the markets. Of course, in 1-day chart, I'm expecting a bounce. As I said, one thing is weekly chart, other thing is 1-day chart. 1-day chart is for maybe 1 week maximum, and weekly chart is for months, 2-3 months. So it's bad. I mean, it's bad. Yeah. I want to show you something. iOS is, I cannot remember the last time when I saw this price. I think 2018. I think 2018. 2020, 2019, 2018 was, I remember, and the Corona crashed to $1. As investor, this is the best area to buy iOS. Yeah, as investor. But be ready, because if the market crash like that, because I am expecting capitulation for Bitcoin, maybe potentially you will see new lows for iOS. Let me show you. Historically speaking, oh my god, wow, impressive. Actually, iOS is doing something for first time. Yeah, the first time I see iOS doing this. So, bigger resistance, $30. As you can see here, as investor, of course, you are reaching the lowest point, $1 with 40 cents. That is the area as investor we should start looking for. And also we have a potential bullish divergence in weekly chart. That means it will take months, of course, it will take months. If you're an investor, you don't need to care about this, right? Just so this asset crash more, you buy more, right? But, well, that is other thing. Investing is different than trading, okay? Investing is not the same. It's not the same. So, I want to show you this because, as you can see here, yeah, correction from the highs, $15 to $2, 80% correction, yeah. So this correction, actually, I am expecting for many altcoins, Cardano, Solana, all of them. And iOS is a little bit concerning. Why? Because actually, I am expecting new lows from all the altcoins, and this one is already reaching this area. So maybe we will see a new historically low for iOS if that happen. So let me show you something else about XRP, because I don't know, I mean, people are asking about XRP. Usually I don't record videos like right now like this, but this is a special occasion, because when I see, as I said, something very interesting in the markets in reverse and macro timeframes, I think it's very good if I share something, right? So okay, XRP weekly chart. This is the area for selling, rejection, any close below 0.60, as I said in the morning, you will see full rejection all the way down to 0.30 in the long term, 0.30, and after that, I am not expecting XRP will recover in long time. I don't know why people are bullish on this. I don't see anything bullish on this, yeah. Any close monthly, oh my god, super bad. Any close below 0.70 like this in the next 4 days, you will see this is a reversal. You don't want to see this, and even worse, red, because any close below 60 in monthly, full rejection all the way down to 0.30 in monthly. So this is actually bad. This is bad. Yeah, 0.50 maybe, but the lowest point is 0.30 in the long term. So let's talk about something very interesting here. I want to explain this. The USDT is super bullish, actually. Bullish as fuck. Yeah. Normally, I said this is the area for selling, yes. But based on the candle and the reaction, I am expecting next month, in the next 2-3 months, you will see a breakout. Breakout, new highs. That means more pain for altcoins, more pain, a lot of pain, I would say. Oh, a lot of pain. Yeah, that's why I said to all my members, all the members of my private channels, this is just the beginning. So we have buy signal here. I said that in November 2021, My signal was around here, yeah. December, November, I was expecting this bounce, and the next macro sell is gonna be here around maybe by the end of 2022. You will see something like that. But in the overall, this asset is super bullish. The good news for all the crypto investors is, in Friday chart, this asset is forming a bear divergence in a squeeze, yes, and also, let me see, no, we don't have here, no, here, but the problem is the ADX. This is gonna be a fake out because the ADX is gonna be like this, so it doesn't matter how many bear you have here, as long as the ADX is positive, you don't have setup, yeah, this is just a sell, this is just a buy. As you can see, clean, very clean and powerful breakout, and this is the thing. Bitcoin is expanding in monthly chart, in weekly chart, sorry. 5-day chart too, the same as I said before in the beginning of this video, and the USDT is expanding. So that means people are cashing out from cryptocurrencies and speculative markets. You see? So you don't want to see the next close tomorrow. You don't want to see this. You don't want to see this line crossing in OBB, because if that happens, I'm gonna be extremely bullish for all USDT, because every time when we have this, we have macro bull runs for USDT, and you know what? When we have this, macro bear markets for all the crypto space. So you don't wanna see this. You don't wanna see this. Please. Honestly, I don't wanna see it. I don't wanna see it because I want to see, of course, everything crashing. I'm happy, of course. I'm very happy to see everything crashing like this. Yeah. I said that many times. I'm sorry for all the people who are new in this market, but it's like that, right? You are too greedy. You can. The good news for all the people who joined last year or to the crypto space because they are thinking they will be millionaires. Well, good luck. You will need it. The bull market was last year, not this year. Yeah. In November 2021, the bull market was over. Here. This was a massive bull trap here, and this is just a crash or correction in weekly chart. Okay, so let's talk about the last thing of this video, because I don't want to prolong more of this video. The BTC in futures. I cannot trust, believe me, I will not repeat the same mistake. I was following the technical analysis for this, and actually it was a very, very beautiful fake out. I got a stop, I got my stop loss. I lost a trade, I think, in December 2021. But the interesting thing here is I want to see similar things. The 5-day chart is something like I want to see, because usually here is where market makers, they like to play with Bitcoin. So this is the play is very actually very obvious here. Any close, yeah, $37,000, same as the spot price action, and even worse, below 36. You will see finally there's to $30,000 bounce. Yes, of course, yeah, because it's buy the dip, right? Buy the dip here, yeah. And this bounce is gonna be just a sell. Bad. I mean, oh my god, this is bad. We don't have enough data here, but as you can see here, testing the zero line and making a new low, no, not good for the price. So market makers, they are just dumping, and just all the newbies they are buying. Yeah, that is the thing. That is is happening right now. Let me see the weekly chart. Same thing. We have, let me see, other low here from this point and this point. Maybe we'll have a bullish divergence in weekly chart, but let me tell you something. I don't trust 100% in the bullish divergences in here. Yes, I want to see the relevant points. Yeah, I mean, yeah, bear divergence in monthly, very obvious, very easy trade for macro. Just sell, and that's it. Yeah, Yeah. Sorry guys, there is nothing bullish in this. Wow, good thing is that finally, oh, okay, this is the different thing. Finally I can see something different. Finally Bitcoin dominance is trending, guys. Be ready for fireworks, be ready. Testing, remember my rules? Yeah, testing the 55 consolidation here, testing in this area as resistance and support, breakout, and you will see this to the upside. I am bullish, very bullish on this. You will see 47.50, this area in the long term tested. If Bitcoin is in downtrend and Bitcoin breaks $37,000, even actually any close below 37 this month, new lows for all your altcoins. Yeah, new lows. Yeah, many altcoins, they are testing the key levels. Other they are just full reversal. For example, this asset Axie Infinite, full reversal. This is reversal. Solana, full reversal too. Solana, one of my favorite projects, but full reversal as well. A strong reversal. Well, this is the thing. This is the thing you will see for many coins. You see, Theta, Tron, Uni. My God, this is reversal, right? People were thinking, yeah, buy Uni at 20. Yeah. Next target for Uni in the long term, $3 or $4. This was a massive bull trap here. I explained that. Shiba Inu is still defending the area, but in the long term, I'm expecting another crash. Sand, S&P 55, maybe not that bad. Ray, you see, the market is clear, right? Everything is clear to the downside. Oh my God, what is this? Yeah. Matic, yeah, breaking MA55. Of course, technically speaking, a bounce, yes, but the problem is Bitcoin. If you don't see Bitcoin bouncing, no. Link, long-term target hit, $10,000. This is the area I was start looking for, but I think it's better if I wait, because this is a reversal too. So today is a very special occasion, guys. I am very happy. At the same, a little bit worried. Well, it's not my money, not my business, right? But I remember my days when I was learning, and I learned in a very bad way. Yeah. I'm happy because all my technicals, actually, mostly all of them, they hit perfectly. Very good, actually. Very good. As a trader, I'm very happy. This is reversal in dot. Yes. Buy at 20, right? Yeah, of course. No. This is the lowest point, technically speaking. Yes, a bounce from here. Yes, but I mean, you really want to see dot do something interesting here. New low. Maybe you see a new low, maybe around 6, 7, maybe 5 around here is gonna be the next area. I'm gonna start looking for dot. Yeah, for there maybe a significant bounce, reversal. Cake, wrecked. Yeah. So, well, I think that's it, guys. That's it. Take care. See you tomorrow on the live stream. Well, actually, I am recording this video because maybe potentially tomorrow I will not be online. That's why I'm recording this video. Yeah. Yeah. Atom, same thing. Yeah. Adam, bath. Okay. Well, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.